In this video, we will discuss removing and promoting shortcuts. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file removing and promoting shortcuts.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Data shortcut functionality allows you to reference Civil 3D objects into multiple DWG files. However, let's say you want to remove shortcuts or copy the Civil 3D object into your drawing and lose the reference. Let's look at this functionality. So first, let's investigate our file to see what we have in here. We have a data reference to the combined EG and the bypass 1 alignment. Of course, what this means, if I select the alignment, notice how I cannot make any edits to it using grips. If you look at the contextual ribbon, you'll notice you have three options when it comes to dealing with an object that is data referenced. You can synchronize them, open the source drawing, which is similar to opening a reference file. In other words, it would open the file that this alignment lives in, or you can promote the data reference. Let's go ahead and click on Promote Data Reference because I, let's say, want to have a copy of this alignment in this file, and I no longer need a data shortcut to it. If you look here, I now have the grips, which means this alignment has been copied into this file. It no longer references the bypass 1 alignment in that other DWG file. Just be aware, it didn't do anything to the alignment that was in that DWG file, and that alignment is still available for using as a data reference. Let's say, though, you want to actually now remove that object as a data shortcut so that no one else can use it. Scroll down to the Data Shortcuts category. To remove a reference, simply right-click on it and choose Remove. What that will do is it will literally just delete that XML file. It will not remove the actual alignment. It'll just remove the shortcut to that alignment.